By the end of the video, you will know about how to lose belly fat and become skinny. Losing belly fat and achieving a lean physique requires a combination of effective strategies, including diet, exercise, and lifestyle changes. In this video, we'll break down these strategies into simple, actionable steps that you can start implementing today. Number 1. Optimize your diet. Your diet plays a crucial role in losing belly fat. Focus on eating whole, unprocessed foods that are rich in nutrients. Incorporate plenty of vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, and healthy fats into your meals. Avoid sugary drinks, refined carbs, and excessive amounts of unhealthy fats. 2. Increase physical activity. Regular exercise is essential for burning calories and reducing belly fat. Aim for a combination of cardio exercises like running, cycling, or swimming, and strength training such as weightlifting or bodyweight exercises. Cardio helps burn overall body fat, while strength training builds muscle, which increases your metabolism. Number 3. Stay consistent with workouts. Consistency is key to seeing results. Develop a workout routine that you can stick to and gradually increase the intensity as you progress. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous activity each week, combined with 2 days of muscle strengthening activities. Number 4. Get enough sleep. Adequate sleep is often overlooked, but is vital for weight loss and overall health. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Poor sleep can disrupt your metabolism and increase cravings for unhealthy foods. 5. Manage stress. High stress levels can lead to weight gain, especially around the belly area, due to the release of the hormone cortisol. Practice stress management techniques such as meditation, yoga, deep breathing exercises, or hobbies that you enjoy. Number 6. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps maintain your metabolism and aids in digestion. Sometimes thirst is mistaken for a hunger, so staying hydrated can also prevent unnecessary snacking. Number 7. Supplement wisely. 1 second lesson. Maximize gains with Dymatize ESO 100 and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue a video's main topic. Number 8. Track your progress. Conclusion. Losing belly fat and becoming skinny is a journey that requires dedication, patience, and consistency. By following these tips and maintaining a healthy lifestyle, you can achieve your fitness goals and enjoy a healthier, more confident you. Remember to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more valuable health and fitness content. Thank you for watching.